feel it, baby. Just let it be K-Shug. Cause I can feel it, baby.
So, right now I am on the way to get my hair done. We are flying home tomorrow. Oh, I'm sorry, this is my son. We're flying home tomorrow, so I want to get my hair done just to, because I need my ends trimmed really bad. And I really don't want to wear a wig while I'm at home. Yes, ma'am. Yes, I know it's Chicago.
She wants you to tell them that.
They know it's, okay, well, if y'all don't know, home is Chicago. So yeah, we're going back there tomorrow. And of course, y'all know I'm gonna vlog everything.
With me too late.
Yeah, and I'll be going apartment shopping, so you guys know I'll take out with me on that one. We're gonna go do some activities and stuff like that too. So and we're gonna go visit the college, the hair school we're gonna go to.
Yeah, they were attending.
So I'll tell you guys on that too if I can, and I'll show you guys as much as I can. And yeah.
Oh, and cut my nails.
Y'all, I don't want my sister. She always sticks with me with her finger. I think it's a syndrome or something. Because she literally, it's just her nature. Every time. Period, Patty. Let her know. I'm acting crazy, but you're the one sticking with her finger. You always do it.
Yeah, because you sit up here trying to diagnose me. What pH do you got? None.
You do need to be diagnosed.
Oh, that house is big.
But yeah, so.
My mom do have a little bit.
My hair, guys, y'all, my hair is getting so long, and she cut it, and I had to cut it into layers also, and my hair looks amazing. Did you rinse it out? Go rinse the cup out, please. Thank you. But yeah, I love my hair. I'm not gonna do anything but wrap it tonight. Where you going?
I can't reach it.
Go get your go in the bathroom and rinse it off. Oh, okay. But yeah, I love my hair. It looks so cute. And it's getting so long. But yeah, so right now I'm washing clothes, and then I'm going to pack. While I'm washing clothes, I need to wash dishes. I'm trying to like straighten up so that way, I think they're doing like maintenance while I'm gone. And they probably come in and do like the bug spray and stuff. So I just don't want them coming in. I don't like leaving in the house. It's like crazy. So I'm gonna straighten up, and I want to go to sleep. I'm really tired, but I have a lot to do. So we gonna see. Hey guys, so we made it to Chicago.
No, we fly there. We fly there.
Same difference, baby. We made it.
No, what is?
My hair looks a hot mess. Y'all seen how it was yesterday. Nothing like it did. Maya, stop. We just got done seeing cosmetology and esthetician school, and then me and my sister are thinking about attending, and it was really nice. It was and we're going there. Right now we're just driving around trying to get a feel of areas for like apartments and things like that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. When I do go see apartments, you know, I'll show you guys the inside and things of that nature.
We're just looking right for the second.
But yeah, my hair. Literally, look at this. Y'all seen how it looked yesterday, and it looks like this now. Crazy, right? Crazy.
Did you stay up there?
What up? Yup. Hi guys. So right now we're walking downtown, as you can see behind us. Hi, Grandpa. That's my grandpa. He's an ISIS. Mom, Fatty. But yes, right now we just got up from eating at the Pancake House in my thing. And yeah, we're just gonna go walk around downtown and look at just walk around really. So I'm trying to get a little bit of it. I don't want to get too much because, you know, I like to just enjoy it. Look at ISIS. But yeah, so yeah. Let's see, our daughter's convinced my mother to take her to American Girl doll. So, yeah, look at her. Come on, yeah. Look at her. That's her frozen. I can't do. Yep. Oh, her purse is cute. That is cute. Look at that. Well, look at it. They got dogs too for them. You want that too? Yeah. Oh, they got a phone, girl. Yes, they got a phone, girl. Ooh. A whole table. Oh, she got pieces, Patty. Look, you got a hot chair. You got the hot chair.
Look at her here. Isn't it so deep? Come on, she's the best.
Yeah, I see him. I can't deal. I'm so dead. Look at her. I know her walking in a bunch of nets.
They ganging up on us.
Right. Yeah.
Get it, Fatty.
I'm definitely doing the video, but okay.
Get it, girl. Do it.
This is so nice. Like, oh my gosh. This is so nice. Look at the bathroom. Look at the bathroom, y'all. Y'all know. Look at the tub. This is just so nice. Like, this is really nice. You said what? I know, even though you know we don't use that. Why are you touching? Look at the kitchen, you guys. Look at the kitchen. Cut off the water. This is another bedroom. And it has a closet over there. Yeah. Oh, this is a big closet. You said what? Another closet? Yeah, this is a big closet. That was big. It goes down. Did you want that one?
I've seen it. Yeah, I like it.
This is nice. I like the laundry area. Like, look at the kitchen. Look at the lighting fixtures. Oh my gosh, it's just so beautiful. And it's right in my price range. Everything is perfect. Everything is literally perfect. Like, I love this place. Like, look at this. And it's gas. It's back gas. It's gas. Not electric, but gas. But yes, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. I'm really liking this. I'm really liking this.
Can you feel it, baby? It's that MBK shit.